Hi, I'm Michelle Wright from JubileeTV. Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how our technology works. JubileeTV enables proactive caregiving through one simple connection: the TV that seniors already know and an app that puts families in control. Let me give you a quick overview of the system. This is our console that connects to the senior's existing television. There is a built-in web camera and microphone. Plug in the existing TV, it works with any TV, and then add up to 3 source devices. So that could be a cable or satellite set-top box, streaming device, DVD, or Blu-ray player. JubileeTV does not provide any content. We allow the senior to keep using the source devices that are familiar to them. And then we offer a range of control options that evolve with the senior as their needs change. To start, we have our simple voice remote that will control everything that's connected, a couple special buttons here that allow older adults to engage with JubileeTV features. We offer a snap-on cover that gets added to the voice remote to simplify, so channel, volume, power. The older adult can continue using a familiar remote if they like, so that streaming remote, cable remote will still work. And for dementia, we offer a simple 6-button option. Now, let's walk through 4 common ways that families are using JubileeTV. To start, I'm going to show you how the senior interacts with the TV and how JubileeTV simplifies their experience. So using our voice remote, they can go to a streaming app or change channels. Netflix. So that's going to switch over automatically to the Roku that I have connected and open Netflix. I can press guide, and that's going to pull up a list of favorite streaming apps from within that Roku. Makes streaming much more accessible for seniors because they no longer need to navigate that complex Roku menu. AMC. I can say the name of a channel and it's going to switch over to the cable box and it knows which channel is AMC. Similarly, I can press guide and then I'm going to see favorite cable channels here, which again makes it much simpler for mom. There's only a handful of channels that she really likes to watch, and so she can access them here. We can also set it so when she presses channel up or down, it only cycles through those channels, which is also how the 6-button remote functions. Now, this dramatically simplifies the TV experience for the senior. As well, family can control everything from the JubileeTV app. So now you can see my JubileeTV app. We are going to go to Telescope. And so you can see a live view screen mirror of my TV here. And I have full control of the TV and everything that's connected. So I can hit Netflix and we're going to switch over to Roku. And then I have full ability to navigate everything here. So I can start a movie. If mom gets logged out of Netflix, I can key in her password here. I can change channels. HGTV. I can control power and volume. As well, I can start an audio session. If I hit this microphone icon, it's going to mute the TV volume and then allow me to talk to mom. So this way I can talk to her about what show she wants to watch, help her troubleshoot issues without requiring a separate phone call. The next way that families are using JubileeTV is to simplify communication with their loved ones. Primarily through video calling, we offer 2 options here. One is a traditional video call, so that's going to ring on the TV. Mom can use the buttons on the JubileeTV remote to answer or decline the call. More common is our auto connect feature. Give some options depending on mom's needs, so I can let it ring for a little bit to give her a chance to answer if she wants to. I can start with a call audio only and then turn on the webcam later. I can also decline the hide the option for her to decline the call. So we would automatically start the call. She has no opportunity to decline. So we're going to start this call. You're going to see my TV turn on. The call will pop up and it will start to chime loudly to catch mom's attention. And so this is going to automatically connect and start the call without mom needing to press anything on her side. Right away, you're going to notice the video captions. So we have live closed captioning on video call, great for our older loved ones who are hard of hearing or have cognitive issues. A couple other features here. You can see this control TV on the app. So I have the ability to control the volume of the TV to make sure that call's at a comfortable audio level. I can stop her webcam at any time. From the app, I can zoom in if I need to get a closer look, but you see I have a nice wide angle view of the room. I can add up to 4 people to this call, so I can add other family members who are already connected on the app, or I can use a one-time link to text or email to someone to have them join the call without needing the app. And then I can actually also capture, use this little red dot here. That's going to capture the previous 2 minutes of the call. So if there was, dad telling a joke or some funny moment happened during the video call that I want to capture, I can use that, capture a 2-minute clip that saves for me for later. We're going to end the call. Other communication features are the ability to send a chat message to the TV. So I can say, "Hi, Mom." That's going to pop up on the TV. She can actually use the voice remote to respond. "Having a great day." And then we're going to send that. So that sends back. I can also send photos this way, and that will pop up on her screen, and I can put those into a slideshow for her. And then I also have the ability, similarly, to set reminders. I can set simple reminders for things like time for bed, time for medication, you have an appointment, the bus is arriving. Those will pop up on her screen. They will chime if I want them to catch her attention. I can also set a reminder with an automated action, so this will do something on the TV. Common use case here is mom loves the professional baseball team, so I'm going to set the TV to turn on and set a reminder that the game is about to start. And then it's going to automatically turn to the channel where the game is at the time, so she doesn't miss her favorite team playing. And then lastly, we have our peace of mind features. Most commonly used is drop-in. So this is a one-way audio and video feed. TV can be on or off. So we'll turn the TV off here. And then we're gonna drop in. So here you can see the TV's off. I can see and hear what's happening in the room, similar to video call. I can zoom in. Additionally, we offer an activity feed. So I can see here the TV is on or off, if someone is present or not, and then I can get a really granular view of what's happening in the room. So I can set it to take photos when certain events occur. So when the TV turns on or off, I can take a photo. When someone enters or leaves the room. And then I get a really nice timeline of activity, what was happening in the room all day long in the space in front of the TV. You can see these photos, and they're going to show where the person was detected. We're going to show TV use, remote control use, presence, and whether the person is stationary or active. So again, a really nice non-intrusive way for me to just get peace of mind that everything is okay. Mom is following her usual routine. If something is up, I can quick do that drop in to get eyes and just make sure that everything is okay. So from simplifying the TV for our older loved ones, the ability to control the TV remotely, simplifying communication and peace of mind, JubileeTV offers a full caregiving system that makes it easy to stay connected and support our older loved ones.